Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss General Knowledge Class 8 Part 8. The marvelous, fantabulous minds of the world. The great scientists. These scientists have done a lot of miraculous work for the humanity. Some discoveries and theories given by them are given below. Means the scientists have done a lot of miracles work. Means you can say that a miracles work. Here given some theory and discovery of great scientist. The theory or discoveries, the scientist, the name of scientist. First, law of gravitation. Law of gravitation discovered by Newton. Option C here, Newton. Law of gravitation means when you are throw object, any object throw above, the object come on bottom. It means earth. This law of gravitation given by great scientist Newton. Sir Isaac Newton, the full name of Newton. Next, heredity. Heredity theory given by John Mendel. Heredity. Next one, law of pendulum. Law of pendulum. This theory given by Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei, law of pendulum. Next, theory of relativity. Theory of relativity given by Einstein. Option H, Einstein. Theory of relativity, Einstein. Fifth, atomic fission. Atomic fission theory given by option D, Otto Hahn. Otto Hahn theory given by atomic fission. Sixth, theory of thermal oscillation. Theory of thermal oscillation theory given by Professor Megan Shah. Question number 7, laughing gas. Laughing gas discovered by option E, Sir Humphrey Davy. Sir Humphrey Davy. Laughing gas. Question number 8, theory of evolution. Theory of evolution given by option A, Charles Darwin. Theory of evolution given by Charles Darwin. Match the following work to the scientist concerned. Here is the column A and column B. Question first, which Scottish engineer developed the steam engine? Which Scottish engineer developed the steam engine? Answer, George Stephenson. George Stephenson, Scottish engineer, developed the steam engine. George Stephenson. Question number 2, discovered neutron. Discovered neutron. English scientist, the name of this scientist, F. James Chadwick. James Chadwick discovered neutron. Question number 3, pioneers in space research in India, Vikram Sarabhai. We can also say that father of our Space Research Center, Vikram Sarabhai. Question 4, which geographer and astronomer to determine circumference of Earth? Which geographer and astronomer to determine circumference of Earth? The name of the great scientist, G. Eratosthenes. quick geographer and astronomer to determine circumference of Earth. Question number 5. American scientists proved lighting to be a form of electricity. American scientists proved lighting to be a form of electricity. Given great scientist. Option A, Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin said that lighting to be a form of light, electricity. Question number 6. Swedish chemist invented dynamite. Dynamite invented by Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel. Question number 7. American scientist invented telegraph. Telegraph invented by option E, Samuel Morse. Samuel Morse. Question number 8. American surgeon performed first kidney transplant. American surgeon performed first kidney transplant. Joseph Murray. Joseph Murray, the first scientist to transform kidney transplant. Do you know Johannes Kepler was the German astronomer who discovered that the true shape of planet at orbit is oval, elliptical. Means Johannes Kepler discovered the planet orbits is oval, elliptical form. Our nerve systems. Multiple choice question are related to our nerve systems. A joint found in your elbow. A joint found in your elbow is called hinge joint. A joint found in your elbow is called hinge joint. Question number 2. Voluntary muscles are also called. Voluntary muscles is also called. Correct option is skeletal muscles. Voluntary muscles is also called skeletal muscles. Question number 3. Nerves that carry message from the sensory organ to the brain are called. The nerves that carry message from the sensory organ to the brain are called. Correct option is mixed nerves. Mixed nerves. Question number 4. Deficiency of protein and carbohydrate can result in. Deficiency of protein and carbohydrate can result in. Correct option B, malnutrition problem here. Question number 5. The two cells which are closely connected are. The two cells are closely connected. Correct option A, smell and taste. Question number 6. Part of the brain that help you to remember and reason. Answer is cerebrum. Cerebrum part of the brain that you remember and reason. Question number 7. Part of the brain that control involuntary action. Involuntary action controlled by cerebrum. Question number 8. Part of the brain that works even when you are sleeping. Correct option is medulla. Option A, medulla. Medulla, because your brain have 3 parts. So when you are sleeping at night, the medulla brain parts work. Knowledge bank 2nd. First, water can crack metal. Water can crack metal. Water can expand in volume by about 1/9 of its composition. When frozen, it occupies more space than when in a liquid form. This phenomena is seen in houses where water pipes burst during the winter due to the formation of ice in a pipe. Ice occupies more space and the pipe cannot accommodate the increased volume. The metal, when freeze, becomes brittle and expanded ice can easily break it. It means water can break metal. Water can expand volume by 1/9 its composition. When water is ice, in which area where water frozen in the form of ice. So when water is stored in a pipe and in a winter season water frozen, then volume of water increase so that the pipe are break, metal can break. So this is the reason water can break metal. Question number second, hats off to our army. Our soldiers live and protect the glacier just like Siachen, where they are posted in the most adverse condition. They obtain drinking water by melting ice, just stoves. Bathing is rare and washing cloth is not possible. They live in ice caves. Our Bana post at Siachen at 21,500 feet in the world highest inhabited military post. It means our soldiers live and protect glaciers where they posted most adverse condition and they obtain drinking water by melting ice, and bathing is rare and clothes is not possible to wash. So hats off of our army. Third one, the Brahmaputra, the only male river. It is amazing to note that only male river is Brahmaputra, other all are given female names. Brahmaputra passes through Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, where it is also known as Siang. In Tibet is also known as Tsangpo, the name of the Brahmaputra river. Next one, ever wonder why second? Why do we dream? Why do we dream? Reason, our dreams are directly or indirectly related to our thoughts, emotions, fears, desires, wishes, needs and memories. Our subconscious mind keeps on wandering and we start dreaming of these things we could not cure, just like here, sleeping and see dream. If we are hungry yet tired and thinking to get something, our dreams may reflect the same during sleep. Means directly indirectly related to your work, your emotions, fears, desires, what you thought a whole time. Your when you are sleep in night, you see related to your daily work, your thoughts in the form of dream. Hopefully you understand all contents of this video. Each and every student write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.